Hi friends, welcome to Python Learnings. Today we are going to learn regarding lists, which are one of the data types. Let's start with lists. What are lists? List holds different data structures that allows you to store an ordered collection of items. Items can be of any type, including integers, floats, strings, and even other lists. Lists are mutable. Mutable meaning we can change the content by adding, removing, or modifying elements after the list has been created. We can create lists using square brackets. Let's take examples of how to write a list. Let us consider L as a list. I am creating an empty list. So when I print the type of this L, it prints the output as list. So this is the empty list. Let's take another list. You can take different types of data over here, like integers, float, strings, as I said. Complex. Let's print this. And also let's print the type of L1. So let's run this. I'm getting the list of contents or values and the type of L1 as list. List also consists of various inbuilt methods. So let's start with those inbuilt methods and learn each of those methods. Let's consider this L1 only. And I'm printing length is one method. So I'm just checking length of L1. So it is printing 5 because it consists of 5 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's why it is printing the length as 5. We can also check what value is present in particular index. So I'm checking for index 0. So it consists of 110. I'll check for another index. Let's consider, for example, 2. 2 index consists of 10.12012. So that is what it got printed. This is the index value. This is the actual value present in that index. We can do slicing as well. On L1 only I'm doing slicing. That is the initial value which I need until which value I need plus 1 index of that. I'm considering here from 1 to 3 I need. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So these two values are going to print. I want these two values to be printed. So that's why I'm giving 1 index and 2 I need and plus 1 of index, that one I need to give. So it will exclude the third value and then prints only these two. Let's check. See here 110 and 10.12. Let's write another example. Slicing. I'm writing here 2 and 4, 2, 0, 1, 2. So I will be printing this one. 3, I will be printing this one. +1 index is excluded. So I want these two values. So that's why I have given 2 and 4. Let's run this. I'm getting 10.12 and hello as output. If I want to replace any value in a list, for example, I want to replace the value 10.12 with 11, which is in index 2, 0, 1, 2. So I want to replace this value with 11. So let's write L1 of index 2 equals to, I'm assigning it with 11 and then printing that L1 list. So the output will be with the updated one. So 10.12 is replaced with 11 here. So previously we have 10.12, now it is replaced with 11. If I want to replace the last value, then let's write -1. Why I'm writing here -1 is if I want to replace the last value index will be -1. So that's why I'm writing L1 over here. So I am replacing 10.12J with 12.12J. And then printing L1 and running this. So see here, the last value got changed. Previously we have 10.12. So now we are having 12.12J in the console. You can see the difference, right? We can use index method in order to find index of a value. Let's print that. Print of L1 dot index of. So in L1, I have these values. So I want to find the index of hello. So I'm giving hello here. And then running this. The index of hello is 3. Let's check here. 0, 1, 2, 3. So I got hello, which is present in index 3. To find number of occurrences of a value in a list, we use count method. So I'm writing a new list. 1, 2, 3. Hi. And 1 again. And here I'm using count method in order to find number of occurrences of 1 here. So how many times 1 is present in this list? That many times it will show the output. So let's run this. I'm getting 2. So 1 is present 2 times in this list. That's why it is printing 2. If I add one more 1 to this, then once again I'll run this. you can see 3 over here. So ones are like 1, 2, 3. 3 are present in this list. So count of ones are 3. You got it right? Number of occurrences of 3. If I want to add one more value at the end, then I need to use append method. Let's write for L2 list, I am appending a value. So I am appending here welcome. I need welcome at the end. I'm printing this. Let's see. So previously I have 1, 2, 3, hi, 1, 1. So now I got welcome at the end. If we want to add a value in particular location or index, then we go for insert method. L2 dot insert of, in which position I need to change. For example, in index 1, I need to change with, in index 1, I need to add Python. So 0, 1. In one position, it will add Python. And remaining values will be the same. Just it will insert Python in one index. Let's run this. See here, previously we have these. Now, in one index, Python got added to the previous one. Next, if we want to add multiple values to a list, then we go for extend method. L2 dot extend of, we are adding so many multiple values, right? So I'm considering inside a square brackets itself. I'm taking different values. Let's run this. See here, at the end, we have added multiple values. I have given 4, 5, 6 program that got added at the end, multiple values. Let's write list multiplication. Let's take a list 1, 1.1J. So for this, let's consider I want to print this 3 times. So let's run this. See here, 1 high 1.j got printed 3 times. 1, 2, 3. How many times you will multiply here? That many times it will be reflected over here. When we want to remove a particular value from a list, let's consider L3 only. So L3 dot remove of, I want to remove 1.1J from the list. Now let's print L3. Previously we have 1 high and 1.1J. Now I'm removing 1.1J. See here, we got only 2. 1.1J got removed. We can remove any value. If you want to remove high also, you can remove by giving directly. So if we want to remove last value from the list, then we go with pop method. L3 dot pop off. So let's print L3. See here, we have previously two values. Last value got removed. So we have only one here as an output. We can remove a particular value by giving index number, or we can delete the complete list by giving delete method. We can use delete method here. Let's consider this list. Let's use delete method. I'm deleting here a particular value. This is the index I want to remove. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So I want to remove 4 here. So let's run this. Sorry, I didn't print this. Print of L4. So I'm removing index 3 value, that is 4. Let's print this. See here, 4 got removed. Let's delete complete list. Let's run this. So list got removed. If I try to print this, now the list is already got deleted. So if I print this, I will get an error. Let's see. See here, name error. L4 is not defined. So it got already deleted. So if we are printing now, we are getting a name error. I'll just comment this. So if we don't want to throw an error while deleting a list, then let's take another list. So I'm going to use clear method. Let's run this. I'm getting an empty list. We are not getting error now. If we want to know minimum, maximum, and sum of values from a list, then we should maintain same data type in a list, that is the numbers. Let's consider another list. I'm printing min of L6. Similarly, max of L6, sum of L6. So let's run this. So min of L6 is in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, min is 1. So min is 1. Max of L6 is 5. So max of L6 is 5. Sum of L6 is 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 12, 15. So I got 15. We can reverse the list by using reverse method. So let's check L6 dot reverse of. So when I print L6, let's run this. See here, L6 is initially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got it right? How to reverse a list? In order to write values in ascending order, we use sort method. L6 dot sort of. So let's print L6. See here, I'm getting in ascending order. Let's comment this. I'll show you again this one because already it is in ascending order. You will get confused. So I'll write 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. Okay, let's sort this. Let's comment all these also. So let's run this. So I have given L6 as 1, 4, 3, 2, 5. So it got sorted and output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it right. I can show you with another numbers also. 10, 15, 14, 12, 13. Let's run this. See here, I have given 10, 15, 14, 12, 13. Here 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is the ascending order. Got it right. If we want to write values in descending order, we have to use sort method with a condition. Let's take another list. 1, 4, 2, 5, 3. So L7 dot sort of, I'm writing here, reverse equals to true. If we write this condition, it will point in descending order. It will print in descending order. So let's just print L7. See here, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got in descending order. We can even check whether a value is present in the list or not. Let's print. I'm checking 2 in L7. I'm checking this condition, whether 2 is present in L7 or not. If it is present, it will print true. If it is not present, then it will print false. So L7 consists of 2. So let's just check. So I got true here because 2 is present in L7. Let's check if 6 in L7. Let's run this. So 6 is not present in L7, so it is printing false over here in the console. So this is all about list data types in Python. Thank you. See you in another video.